What do you dress up like?
A cat.
What does the cat say?
Meow.
Where are you gonna go tonight?
Trick or treat.
You're gonna knock on people's doors? And then what are you gonna say?
That's fun.
And then what will happen?
I get some, then I will, and get me some candy.
And you say trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Show me how you can twirl with your outfit. Ooh.
Ooh, I got it all down.
I need to get some shoes on yet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, stop.
Whoa, whoa. I can't stop.
What's on your
moving.
head?
I can't stop moving.
What's on your head?
I'm moving.
Are you a ballerina kick yet?
I got so much stuff hanging down. What happened? Did you fall down?
I like your ears.